Let's continue our interviews with a special focus on the Spain market. Here we are with Alvaro Garcia de Castro, CEO of Okuant. Alvaro, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Remember that we are at the 8th edition of the European Investment Summit, and so we are looking forward to explore more and to focus nation by nation. So this is the Spanish time. Alvaro, let's look at your preferred market. Let me say the real estate market. You provide tailor-made real estate portfolio, and what else?
So basically what we do in Okuant is we look for a real estate residential portfolio distressed. So what we do is we find the portfolio, we do the evaluations, we do the bidding, and finally we do all the servicing and all the management of the portfolio until the portfolio is ended. We are based in Spain, and we look for properties and portfolios all over the country.
Let's look at the overall market in 2018, which here have been, and looking forward on 2019, which is your outlook?
In 2018, there were some very big deals run by the big four people, and those deals distorted the market a little bit. So what we found there is that there were some of the sellers that were looking to those deals and were focusing on how much of their portfolio was going to be there. What is happening now in 2019 is that there is going to be much more difficult to happen very big deals. So there is going to be much more opportunities to look at mid-sized deals and to deals that are going to be much more specific, and we're going to find and look for what is going to be the profitability of each portfolio in much more detail.
Of course, investments is one of your core business, so we can split maybe between investment and management. You manage all the investing process. How?
Okay, we have teams that are running all the processes. We have data scientists who are just improving the IT system all the time. We have our valuation team who are making all the evaluation for the portfolios and compounding all the portfolios. And we have the asset managers who are doing the usual asset management work we do in all the portfolios. And we have the field people who are doing flat by flat. They're doing all the work to solve all the distressment. And we have also a sales team. So the company is, we are quite a lot of people.
On the other end, as we told, management. Have you got a management issue? How do you manage your management issue?
Basically, what we look for is for specialistic people who know exactly the assets and what to do on each asset, on each process of the asset. So we don't tend to do massive portfolios and try to have a data tape and to have it with some order. What we do is to solve each line of the portfolio and to have all the teams coordinated to solve the line from the beginning to the end.
And we are really at the end, but today we talked about really much of new opportunities. Technology factor, is this the real new opportunity?
The technology is absolutely basic, because when you have to know in deep what you are investing in, you need a base of technology. So we are improving our IT system all the time to know exactly what we are looking for and what we are managing. And also our IT system is a base to do all the management. Everything that happens in the portfolio is recorded and based on the IT system, and we use that information for future acquisition of portfolios, because as we know how the portfolio is developing, all portfolios, we know what to expect in new portfolios. So it's absolutely basic to improve the IT system all the time.
Really important. So thank you, Alvaro Garcia de Castro, CEO of Okuant. Thank you for joining us, and enjoy your staying here at the 8th edition of European Investment Summit. Thank you.
Thank you very much for you.